This one is the original in midnight blue. What I use these pocket Filofax for are for my stickers. I love stickers because it just again makes your pages look attractive. And as James Clear says in his book, Atomic Habits, one of the 4 laws of behavior change. In order to make changes and habits that stick, make it attractive. This is my KEENA prints. So what I do is I print them out and then I cut them with my Silhouette Cameo cutting machine and then pop them in my pocket size organizer. So this is just a great way for you to put your stickers and have it all in one place, because if it's easily accessible, guess what? You'll use it more often. So that's what I keep in this pocket, the original one. And in the Mediterranean one, I have these tiny icon stickers that I made myself. I just pop them on my daily schedule to just highlight priority tasks. So I have these ones here. The other things I have in my Mediterranean pocket size organizer are stickers from Square Line Designs. So again, just different type of stickers that I use in my planning. I have my stickers in the pocket size, nice, small, dainty. It sits nicely on my desk, and the more accessible your stationery and planner tools are, then it's a lot easier for you to plan, because you're not having to search in drawers, in pencil cases. See if you can have your most used pens, highlighters and stationery handy. That way you can grab it nice and easy rather than having to search for it. Also added little stickers on there. So let me show you. I purchased some digital stickers from KEENA prints. So these are the KEENA print stickers here. So I just printed it on my printer on sticker paper. These are packaging stickers, and then I house them in pocket size planner. So these are also Filofax Domino Luxe and Domino Soft. And I also purchased Square Line Design stickers, and I customized it so then one particular sticker is per page, so I know I'm going to use lots of them. And I also customized the size so then it fits within the columns and the width of my planner inserts.